workers, whether formal and informal workers. Baby, for baby, Ekosiisen your program or Mutie. And the other one so much Jimra or Mutie.
Say, I said, mommy, about Papa or one, you may be that day. So, this will say, or any Papa, I don't about so many promotions, say, or no, I think you all have this idea. I don't know about that.
But it is here, Mr. You the whole way, or here for potty.
Or more, or another room next to the area, or more, besides, I train and know them.
But on any lawyer, and one that's on Unqua.
But I don't remember my cabbage, my friend. You die for woman on the two.
Abani say,
I'm more than them.
Yanni bedin como, Yanni bedin como.
But today are reflecting in GDP, and it is clear. The devil is in the detail.
It's in the detail.
We have detailed analysis. You can clearly see where the growth came from and its effect on employment.
It's always a pleasure talking to you. Yeah, that's a par area.
Now, Thursday, I said,
maybe I'm a first day.
Hey, so I'm not paying questions.
John Boedu and Yatin and Kano Coffee. They will turn against them. Boem constituency for you now.
Boem for you because we program Omumfa in the agro and they listen to it a lot. And also, you are doing very well. And let me use this opportunity to congratulate you. More platform program award. It's a great award. More you are there and you are doing so well. People will criticize you, but that is the only that is the success. Some of them, it helps you to listen and then do more. That's why you are winning the honors. That's why you are winning the honors. And keep it up.
Yeah, that's Asempa
94.7
CIMG radio program of the year. Ekosiisen.
Obi. Me boma baso papa. I'm say next time no. Sa segment no. Me hear some segment no. Omon share that man sa award. Because that segment is sweet, is beautiful, is informing, it's telling us say Ghana is put first. And that segment is a segmenter. I'm say Omo Radio Awards. Omo here segment ni pa. Now within Ekosiisen no. Me here Asempa
FM 94.7. All talk, all day.
They just want to tell their constituency officers in United States, listen, we have won the election. Constituency, do I already my boss me winning and me with the case in the court. Intinu Monsan farming court the next round. The agenda of the petitioner is just to have sympathy from the party people. Say they or contest you are any problem, woman. But we don't have that problem. But don't deceive the public. And you woman in this before. Obi I should be ne or in this me. But the interesting show I course to a courtroom where decided about Christian law. Because I am fair. But a munu crepano any day. So to say, it's say yes, see a beboa, yes, citizens, I'm on my ya. Let's do it right. Now, me around Domahama, so when you touch you, I mean, just said that. Me, Marco Pesica, now you could see touch you. Do I have that right? Me need that right. Can we right that can me touch me soon? Because he has deceived the petitioner. Because our clear way to advise the petitioner say, okay, you know, and yet. Some way, and yes, the court now judges a bizarre.
But the reverse, no, rather than say, lawyer be a court on the instructions of the client. In the Chachu could not have gone to court
Asempa
without the instruction of John Mahama.
That be the American say. I know I'm let me know the hunkomo. Maybe say if there is a clear undertaking. To advise him say, "O case no, me need say ed. Me.
But I say me nkwa.
Me that is what I want to know. Say Sadia and another to know song. Sent to Sadia, already Muhammad so soon, and not just because of instruction. Instruction there's somebody my body and me tell say. Anything me, now the four principle of the law say Mean Tiasin to one our question, and I'll say technicality. And I'm about when you have to advise me. Now, so, what principle, as a lawyer, who class and who free. I can tell you for the fact, say, me, one of the best lawyers in this country, Dennis Plus, one of Ajay Jumo, one of the best lawyers. Obi Minya Assembly the call crashing him. He just told me, Chairman, I said, me for me senka. I won't do it. Opa Kopi na onyemo. Since that time, I respect the boy to make sure. Ain't good. You are confirming it. Oh, now your case. Who can be? Who can be? It me case in ya. It me ya lawyer. Okay. Or what principle? Or what values? Ethical reason. Me do sika because you case no enye. What you say? So na me expect to say. The Ekosiisen Supreme Court. The father said technical argument you say. Me pass judgment because I'm not doing it. Huh? Say this I can make say. Say tattoo we na Messiah appeal. So that's it. I open here shooting kitty. I say, I'm one more coalition and I'm one more year. Was after you say the total valid vote caster. Was my lord, I did not bring that figure to court. Okay. Now from your own computation, also no petition and also no and must say no nya. Because basis a model can basis a model can say former President Mahama. I didn't have to for the 50% plus on yes. Okay. It's more dear more year, you know. Because at least I also it me some comparative analysis. You have been to tunes and yenny. It define easy figures no. But as a model easy figures no. Nobody is disputing that. But Muslim coalition 238,622 agent, baby 222. Model coy. And to him when I say over there 70,000 agents there must spreading across Ghana. It's more coalition. You perceive who from one no figures we. Opinion Sweden can just say, my lord, I did not bring that figure to court. For me, say Enra General Mosquito and Yano, you were Nidi new bone.
Ekosiisen On Asempa FM.
General Mimi General Secretary, Nanka Mrebe Huye. Semi pa, General is somebody I have, great respect for. But Pastor Enra, said ni Papa General Secretary, who coordinate elections in near Busa Center from Muamu coalition. Saying a former President Mohamed Yahya was my lord, not bring that figure to court. Saying and I had the total valid vote cast in your own estimation, Muamu Diana, my lord, we did not bring that figure to court. Okay. Now, second respondent from your own computation, figure bang and a movie so Yahya, my lord, I did not bring that figure to court.
Because almost saying you no case. Case so you so easy now figures no against the EC.
But that is the more reason why more case no can day in day out. More case near fraud no. Because easy and from so yeah near me sir. It's too one of the reasons why of Akutampa a day you go through the yan. No matter here. All the respective voter presidential candidates in yan no man day calculator bonina. And the basic 13.21111. So clearly, then you see, say, from so many no, no interpositional error.
Ekosiisen On
Figure no some called the best share a year total valid votes no, and now did total vote cast no share anymore. And no bar no be correct here. And the be so science from so back 51.595 no. So that would need na boom and the BC 100 no. Thomas year calculation be na 51.295 and the money basa. Mukra musa di vote pardon as a banes are wrong original vote no. Vote pardon na mo de ba court. So we have petitioner no ensema okan mu na in the petition itself there's 5,662. Then in the witness statement no opinion so dun ketia den sashase no na 4,693. Tenokra no eyabam ensunsuye kakra wom. Ana mo ka so okay. Assuming without admitting, because I made the sense in the would say in every election, irregularities home. In every election. Because how can you conduct elections in 38,622? Abraham Kuntebu mass woman Winyam from Subia.
And not at the case management. The orders on the
Asempa FM 94.7.
That is the situation here. is different from the pure high court situation, because in this case, at the case management stage, in this situation, we did not have a direct application for directions, my lord. We did not have that. I believe that's common ground between us. So in this case, we move to the case management stage. And in the case management stage, the court makes orders on the basis of representations that are made to the court by the parties. And respectfully, the representation that was made to the court at that stage is that we are going to call a witness, and we will provide a witness statement on behalf of that witness. That's the clear indication that they gave. Otherwise, the court would not have made an order, submit your witness statement by such and such a date. That is very clear, my lord.
I wish to come in, Mr. Chikada. Now, are you saying that if you decide to call 5 or 6 witnesses and you put in 5 or 6 witness statements, you cannot at any point in time tell the court that though you have put in 6 witness statements, you are not going to call all the 6? Can't you say that?
My lord, you can say that.
Yes, please.
My lord, you can say that, but that is not what is dealt with in Order 36.3, which is what they're coming on.
You see, under the normal civil procedure, if the prosecution closes its case, and that may be the plaintiffs, that's what I'm using prosecution in the civil sense, for the plaintiffs.
My lords, with the greatest respect, yes, let's just stick to what we're familiar with. If you say prosecution in the civil...
Okay, so if the plaintiff closes his case, and the defendant realizes that the case the plaintiff has made has no substance, or does not establish the reliefs he is claiming, and there will be no need for him to testify, he can tell the court that he will not testify, and then he will be put to his election. Whether if the court rules in respect of his application, he will still testify or he will not testify.
My lord,
that is the procedure.
My lord, with the greatest respect, that is not the procedure under our rules. With the greatest respect, that procedure may apply under the English civil procedure rules, but it does not apply under our rules. And with the greatest respect, if I'm wrong in that, I would stand to be corrected. Which rule under our rules has that provision?
It's a settled practice. My lord, we adopt. So are you saying that, my lord, a party cannot say that I will not testify, judge the case according to the evidence you have?
My lords,
because you cannot compare anybody to testify.
My lords, with the greatest respect, my lords, with the greatest
order in court, please.
With the greatest respect, I wish to take it a step at a time. If your lordship is referring to a submission of no case at the end of testimony, if that's what your lordship is adverting to, my respectful submission is that, one, under English common law, it is in fact not available in a trial which is not before the jury. Under common law, the authorities are clear that that process that you just described is not available. And I am prepared to cite some authorities in the common law which make that clear, including a well-known case of Alexander and Reason. But, my lord, before coming to that, I just wish to clarify that the common law position is very clear. Where there is a jury, it is open under the common law. Where there's a jury, it is open for when there's a jury, it is open for the plaintiff to say indeed that I don't want the matter to go before the jury. I'm ending at the point of the trial judge. But the common law position that has been clearly stated in the English Court of Appeal is that where there is only a judge and not a jury, that procedure is unacceptable. And there's a very clear reason given for it in the authorities, which I'll come to. But my Lord, I want to
understand something. Are you suggesting that a party can be compelled to give evidence?
My Lord, that is not what I'm suggesting. I'm just suggesting that Order 36, Rule 3 applies in terms of the precondition that is put there. In terms of the precondition, it says where the defendant elects not to adduce evidence, then whether or not the defendant, and I'm saying respectfully that in this case, the first respondent elected to give evidence and notify the court as such. The first defendant elected to give evidence, notify the court as such, and on that basis, the court made an order for a witness statement to be provided.
Mr. Chikasa, you are aware that at case management stage, nobody knows the evidence that the others bring. It is after case management orders that the testimonies come in. Is that not it?
Very clear. I mean that's a matter of chronological necessity because, that is a chronological necessity. A case management happens before witnesses are called to testify, so there can't be any doubts about that. I'm referring to the fact that under Order 36.3, which counsel for the first defendant is seeking to come under. And my Lord, this is also different from the submission of no case under the common law.
Excuse me. Order 36 for sub-rules 2 and 3 together. It says subject to sub-rules, the plaintiff shall begin by opening the plaintiff's case. Then 2, where the defendant elects not to adduce 3, where the defendant elects not to adduce evidence. It presupposes that the plaintiff has finished his case. That is my understanding.
Ekosiisen on Asempa FM 94.7. 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 Asempa FM. Asempa FM. Asempa FM. Asempa FM.
94.7 Asempa FM Sony Emraso say the Ekosiisen Dwumedie no assign Bremobio at a Tuesday afternoon, the 9th day of February 2021. Ekosiisen is live and airborne on Asempa 94.7 FM. So please tell a friend to tell a friend to tune in to 94.7. That's our frequency. 94.7 Asempa FM. All talk all day. That's our tagline. All talk all day. And this happens to be Ghana's biggest and the most authoritative political, social, current affairs talk show. Ekosiisen live on Asempa FM. Yet nice to say 4 hours 30 minutes prime time radio. And it's from 2 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. This is where Ghana listens to. It's the show you've been waiting for. Many thanks to all our affiliate radio stations from Tamale to Bibiani in the Western North region. Enti o Tamale ABC radio so any more Salaga higher Can FM. Ebi no Sunyane Storm FM Suni or Brekum Agro FM or Japekro Menidaso FM or Wenchi Royal FM and Iriase FM or Akomadan, Cruise FM, or Finso Time FM, or Boase, PZ Radio, or Boase, or Santia Chemagogo, Adansia FM, Honorable Kojo Bajaman, good afternoon to you. Mejidize Bibi Ekwe, Adansia FM for us, Yachiamunina, Asantia Chemagogo for Yamamunina Kwaba, Eba Ekosiisen so. Chembe saying call me I'm a second D takrade Aseda FM FIN live in the say Andy and the rest of the team. Good afternoon to you. More market cycle, more naje, more second D or Kwesimintim. Honorable Prince Hamidu Ama constituency Kwesimintim Yachiamunyanara. Or Esikado Keten or Efia constituency. Yamamunyana Kwaba, Aseda FM Sony. Say Uchem echo the northern part of the western region, district Bakwa, na Menije Hopai Bibiani Anyaso Bekwai district. Capital ni Bibiani. Uko Bibiani ayewo Ochiame FM ewo amonso FIN live. And Yamamunyana Kwaba edamunyana as alternatively Uko Facebook and so I'll be on Facebook Live. Yeah, what you would have to search Asempa 94.7 FM. Mepacho. When you search our page, like the page. In here, just click on the like button and like the page. Now you would receive, notifications. Say you post BBC, you call live any idea. Nina ubetimi ehu. You share BB inswa. You would also see it. It's very important. Uko YouTube inswa. Your channel on YouTube, Asempa 94.7 FM on YouTube, and you can watch your favorite Ekosiisen live on YouTube. And your complaints be say mumu be na munya on tune in, on tune in. Me share multimedia radio platforms in munya on tune in. Mr. There is a little challenge, and we are working hard to resolve that. But in the interim, myjoyonline.com app. And adomonline.com so app oko app store Google Play Store and I say Huawei app gallery ubetima downloading your apps no, and on those apps no ubetima tie in radio. You get our radio platforms live streaming on the